In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo online with the Wix Logo Maker. If you're looking to design a logo that perfectly captures your brand's identity without any complicated software or design expertise, then you're in the right place. Let's take this journey together to create a visual representation of your brand that is both professional and personal. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Wix Logo Maker website. This is your gateway to crafting a distinctive logo that resonates with your brand's voice. Once there, you'll see an option that says Get My Logo. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your first step into the creative process where Wix's smart tools will guide you along the way. Next, you'll be prompted to create new brand. Selecting this option will kick off the process of building your brand identity with personalized elements. Here, click Start Chat. Think of this as an interactive interview designed to understand your specific logo needs. It's intuitive, simple, and makes the design process engaging right from the start. You'll encounter a series of questions. Answering these questions is crucial as they are tailored to help Wix understand what makes your brand unique. Don't worry, each question is straightforward and designed to delve into the essence of your brand. You'll be asked about the industry your brand belongs to, your brand name, and other details that play an important role in tailoring the design to your vision. Feel free to take your time with these questions and, importantly, click Next after each response. Clearing any doubts, remember that these details are solely to personalize the logo for you. Once you've finished with the questions, you will then move on to choosing a template. This is where the magic happens. Wix will present you with a selection of logo templates that have been generated specifically based on your responses. Each template is a potential canvas for your brand, ready to be customized to your liking. Take your time to browse through these templates. Find a design that speaks to you and aligns with the spirit of your brand. Once you have a template that catches your eye, feel free to dive into the customization process. This is where you can play with fonts, color schemes, symbols, and more. The Wix Logo Maker offers a plethora of options so you can tweak and refine to your heart's content, ensuring your logo stands out just the way you envision it. And there we have it. You're well on your way to having a fresh, tailor-made logo ready to represent your brand, all through the user-friendly Wix Logo Maker. I hope you found this process insightful and empowering. Get ready to showcase your brand's identity with pride and confidence. Happy designing!